Referred to Quality First Builders by an acquaintance. Thank goodness. We had trouble with a contractor and designer before, and we're just asking friends for a referral, and we were fortunate enough to find Eli and Donna.
So we did a full house remodel. We remodeled 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a kitchen, a dining area, fireplace, entertainment center, bar area, new flooring throughout the house, and new windows. So we did a complete top to bottom. Yeah, so Eli's team was great. The guys were here throughout the day, and they cleaned up the entire site after each and every day. So it was great. We could see progress throughout the project, day in, day out, which was really a relief for us.
Wow, I have a new, beautiful home. That's what I thought. And I definitely have favorite rooms in the house now, too, which Eli knows. My bathroom upstairs is amazingly gorgeous. I love my kitchen. Everything is functional. It's gorgeous. One of my favorite rooms in the house.
The quality is amazing. The workmanship that's been done here is just impeccable. And completely satisfied with everything that they've done here. It really looks beautiful. So what was great about Quality First Builders is having Donna to help us with our design choices.
Absolutely.
We had absolutely no idea what we were wanting to accomplish, what we were trying to do. We just knew we had to remodel. So Donna provided us with a lot of recommendations for everything from cabinet pulls to door handles and things that we would not even think about. So that made the process a lot smoother. Took a lot of stress off of us because we didn't have to sit here and go through millions of samples of different things. She really steered us in a direction that kept us within our style and didn't clash with anything throughout the house. So very appreciative of the effort and contributions made by Donna. Absolutely.
Absolutely,
100%.
yes.
The great
No
work.
question.
Very happy with Eli, Donna, and the entire team. Thank you very much.